So friend, this is my resource monitor part 2 video. Last previous video I am talk about this resource monitor in some information. So in this part 2 video I will discuss more some information for you and how can we manage and how can we manage with monitor these resource monitor here. So one type of this resource monitor monitoring your information monitor and control your systems here, and this is very important for you all of systems here. My all of video one by one part was created here. Watch my video part was either you cannot understand how can these systems and how can we settings set up here. And this is a Windows operating system control panel, one type of very helpful for you and some advantage and some benefit for you. So I'm all of discuss these control panel options very deeply here, one by one practically in how many type these settings available in a control panel. So this is a resource monitor, one type of a technology, and why using these systems. So watch my previous first part video. In this second video continue this my last previous video. So watch these more settings in these resource monitor. So let's start here. And click on Dix here. This is an overview because you can click on directly Dix information and take the information, but I'm just showing first overview inside, and you can see here Dix. So what is a Dix? Inside different types, you can CPU type, this work with hard disk. So process this CPU with you can see a process. So different type process available for and services. So process and services. Why services and process? Services mean process with different type, services files work with. So not only one process and services work with both sides, and output and input side. You can see here, just give you services new this type window. You can change services, but this is a very important Windows services, but I'm just talking about services later next time. But I'm just talk about resource monitor, but I'm just showing you this services window. This is the services for your computer, main computer services and main information. Okay, so you can not directly, you can see, access your computer this type, and so how many this type open window, how many type so this work only process and services and systems process. So you can, what is the different services and this type resource monitor services. This type services only for work with your systems and your stop service, restart service, this type only for but this is a lot of options here, and give different type options with the actions here. So you can start, stop, and main operating system services, very important. This is for services in your computer. Without the services you cannot start your computer, not start your software, and not start your anything, your process activation, your actions, your work. So I'm just told about services, these windows, and you can see here, you can you these learn about these while using these services. All of information available here, but you can you can not see here these type services inside, why using these services, why start these services. But this type here you can see, click on services and information, but in this window you cannot see here. But I will discuss is this this window later, but I'm just talk about only resource monitor. So resource monitor, you can see here this tab, map and network systems, and all of process systems, and different type processes here. So This is the main process for your computer and very important for any one services you maybe systems services stop. So very not work. Some system start, some system process start, some services start, some system services stop it not starting, because some i'm I'm not like unnecessary systems and unnecessary services. So I want only for my computer fast work, and I want fast with perfectly work. So service is unnecessary. I'm already stop and a different type. But I'm just showing you why using a services this type window in a resource monitor. So this showing how many type services using a CPU, and you can see here this my services open in my start menu. So this is like system services. You can open your my computer, you close your windows, you close your system. So these services different types services systems here. And where is your system with process. So services is a very important and process is a very more important. So services, and without you can check not stop. Okay, so first you can see here first from running top side, and automatically you maybe stop going to downside. Okay, so I'm DSCP just talk about these services. So first I'm give all of, I cannot give all of our services information, but I give some information. DSCP means automatic dynamic host configure protocol services. These protocols work for many you maybe in your local computer, but this protocol very important for server dynamic host configure protocol, and all of services continue work for your start your computer in that time process id automatically give. And this is a some areas that fixed process id. Okay, so why give a process id? All the process id work for different work. So process through computer know and CPU know why using is these services, and using a effect of services. Okay, so you can see a CPU and the CPU services here. So CPU you can see just CPU process. So CPU every millisecond process, and services CPU usage you can see here. So this is a CPU main CPU services here you can see. So click on CPU, and you can see here this tab Windows, and this tab you can see here. Okay, so I'm not just talking about overview with all of four type first CPU, second disk, network, and RAM. But this is a full of all detail CPU for. So first I'm total about means you know total CPU work with the CPU process and services and different tab. So this is the services, and you can see here 0% to 100% means these are not very load, or CPU 0 and CPU 1 means my CPU is a core dual core ID. Okay, dual core my CPU. So different type core double dual core i3. So maybe your core i3 to this type CPU 0, CPU 1 and CPU 2. 0 means 1 and CPU 1 means 2. So my first core and second core in work my CPU. Okay, so you can see here my computer inside these CPU devices work with a different type services available in my computer, and work with this is a very important services, and using a different services with my larger large some large you can create making your systems. And so I'm like only large, and I'm showing you why I'm using a CPU code. The CPU, so CPU core why using a CPU different type work with process, and not only for one process, very lot of process, thousand of services and thousand of services with the files and here. But some files stop here. Okay, so I'm already I want my on my computer fast, and this reason unnecessary process file, I'm stop here. Okay, so you can see just how many tab you change and how many tab I'm know, and I how you know identity DSCP. So first you know about DSCP means dynamic host configure protocol. This type protocol always automatically give a IP address, and very important. So process ID means process identify these type systems here, and you any not know, so you can description first check. Okay, so I'm Windows event log, you can see here this is important, and DSCP client server and anything. So I'm just event log means event viewer. So event viewer automatically background work but not showing this time, but event viewer work automatically, and you cannot stop, but you will stop background services this time. So click on right and stop here. But I'm like only my my information for my computer, so I like this very important my for computer. So I'm running continue 24 hours, maybe I'm stop some time power of computer, so event log not perfectly end. So this is a process ID 760, you can see here, and 760 of inside work Windows event log process, not process, this is only services here. So services is a running. Okay, running is status, what is the status running, and you can see here running with what is a group. So my group is a local services network restricted, so network not start, so this reason network service is restricted, and not using a network services in event viewer some logs and files here. So I maybe, so maybe I'm connect with network, so I can more change here. So average of CPU using 0.38, 0.40, anything maybe change continue automatically. And this is very important for, I'm already talk about event viewer. So my last video you can see here event viewer, you can see my, so this is the event viewer process talk about, and you can see here process different type event viewer. So this is the event log means event log tab systems here. Okay, so first off talk about the status. Status means you are running your process, suspend your process, suspend means you are stop completely, and some so stop your services not work for your system. You can start your services not permanently here, but you can start your services in services Windows here. So I will talk about file history services. File history services is top here, and you can see here home policy, different type policies available services here. So see, you can see here it is a Bluetooth support services. I have no Bluetooth adapter, I have no Bluetooth systems, so these reason unnecessary services here. So I'm not start these services, so I'm stop here. Okay, and you can see stop already my services. So this reason my computer not perfectly slow, so fast automatically, because some process I am stopped from here, and this is a very important for network storage interface services. These are my time broker and different type services. So you first know about what is the services work inside and computer. So I'm just talk about in computer. So this is my calendar. Okay, so you can see Windows time. Windows time means this is a calendar, and Windows time you can see here. So this is time, these services control and manage here. So I cannot this stop here. Okay, because this is a very important for my timing and a different type calendar here. So this is a very important for Windows timing and Windows themes. I'm already talk about the themes, different type themes and changing automatically. So this is a theme. I'm click on next, and this different type themes change here. Okay, but slideshow is changing different type desktop services here. So different you can see here change my picture automatically to this. So this is a theme systems work here, and click on manually next, background next. So automatically my change this so, and I can change my my hand. So you can see new themes is available in my computer. So This change automatically theme services. Okay, this is a theme services. So you can talk about 8888. Okay, so very important for theme services, and very important talk about theme services with the process. So theme services processes and theme services process are different type, changing your with your settings, or not you can change anything your computer and computer IDs. So computer ID mean different these but I'm talk about only services. So themes is you can see here running, and cell HD detail, you can cell hardware detection, and print services, print spooler, and themes available. So first talk about remote desktop configuration. Remote desktop configuration means this is a remote you can connect to your computer. So I will discuss later what is a remote desktop connection systems and technology. Windows backup, you can see here Windows backup services available here. So all of services special technology, special technology with features, and so not only for operating system, application, software, any you use install your new programs. So these services automatically install and group systems. Here you can see NetSV, SCS, different type. So this is a internal local services network restricted, means this is a not using a network services for. Okay, so first you can see a CPU usage services and effects. Effects is a very old type technology, but I am not using, but I'm showing you how can we start stop services. So click on start services and start fax, but I don't like fax services. So fax services I am not using at this time. And you can see stop services, because I'm just showing you example. These web services I'm unfortunately unnecessary this type, and you can learn about more by internet. So click on help, and you can see yes these services, windows, everything here. Okay, so friends, I will continue these services information. How can we identify services, how can we manage, and how can we monitoring these services in my computer by this resource monitor. So services is one type of how manage and how work in resource monitor. I will discuss in these monitor resource monitor part 3. So my all of video one by one created part wise here. So watch part wise video, because sometime you not understand, and this is contemplate all of options very deeply for you. So I will discuss is one by one of control panel technologies in Windows operating systems. I'm already created other videos. Watch my playlist and Windows 10 settings. Some very important for you. So you using your Windows operating system. So this very helpful for control panel playlist. So click on bell icon, click on subscribe button, click on like for my motivations. Let's start here.